Hello all and welcome to Towards a Better India. This particular video focuses on the government's present inadequacy as far as revealing the usage of our the taxes which are collected from us is concerned. My primary assertion is that taxes, the way they are collected in India, to the extent that they are collected in India, there must be some sort of an accountability in terms of exactly how much is collected, and most importantly the way those taxes are used. At the moment we have no clue absolutely as to exactly how much is collected, and after that amount which is collected, the way it is used. And I think it's a fundamental right. We have a right. It is our hard-earned money which is collected in innumerable number of ways. You've got income tax, wealth tax, property tax, toll tax for roads which are in very bad shape. I mean, practically everything for which taxes are collected from us, we don't really get to see that benefit. You say that taxes are being used for infrastructure, we don't see the infrastructure. Schools are in bad shape, healthcare system is in shambles, overall infrastructure is terrible, roads, be it bridges, be it just about anything, everything that we see, things don't seem to be in a good state, wherein constantly the question comes up in our minds that what exactly are you doing with our money. And most importantly, what I feel is that the problem of corruption stems from our hard-earned taxpayers' money being misappropriated, being utilized in a manner which is completely not what it was actually meant for. So therefore I appeal to the government and I appeal to everyone out there that think about this. Ideally what you should do is there should be a Right to Information Act where each one of us, we have the right to actually see exactly the way you're utilizing our taxes. And that's where because I'm very sure that there must be a proper balance sheet which is maintained. So you have an X amount of money which is being collected, and then that in turn is being channelized onto different platforms. So I think at least the least that you can do is make sure that you make it public knowledge, put it into the public domain, that okay, we collected this much as taxes. You've got so many different taxes today. We pay, I mean, at every step. I go to a movie, I'm paying entertainment tax. I take a flight, I have to pay a huge amount of tax on my on my flight ticket. In fact, more than the basic fare, taxes constitute a bigger portion of the actual price which I pay for a flight. And likewise, there are so many different places where I'm constantly paying taxes, and yet I'm not actually sure that tax is actually being utilized for whatever purpose it has been collected from me. So therefore I appeal that please make the actual tax collection public, and then most importantly let us know exactly what you're doing. Ideally, whatever balance sheet that you have, whatever sort of accounting that has been done, that should be in the public domain. If it is not in the public domain, at least make it such that if I or anybody else out there wants to know that exactly how the taxpayers' money was collected and then utilized, we have the right to do so, we have the ability to do so. Do these things, and I'm sure it will be at least a first step towards weeding out corruption in this country and overall making a difference towards a better India. This is what I feel. So please, think about this. Thank you.